ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री राम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्री रामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातन्नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातन्नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनं। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्री तुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्री तुलसीदासाय नमः। श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम। हरि ओम। A very warm welcome. The wonderful, very auspicious day of Navami, Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji along with three brothers Bharata, Shatrughna and Lakshmana, all of them took birth. And then in our session yesterday we saw the Namakarana, Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata and Shatrughna. The Kulaguru, Vashishta ji, gave the names for all of them, and we saw that yesterday. Continuing. धरे नाम गुर हृदय बिचारी वेद तत्व नृप तव सुतचारी मुनि धन जन सर बस शिव प्राणा बाल केलि रसते ही सुख माना बारे ही ते निज हितपति जानी लक्ष्मण राम चरण रति मानी भरत शत्रुघ्न दूनऊ भाई प्रभु सेवक जसी प्रीति बढ़ाई श्याम गिर सुंदर दो जोरी निरखहि छवि जननी तृण हो तोरी जारी उशील रूप गुण धामा तदपि अधिक सुख सागर रामा हृदय अनुग्रह इंदु प्रकाशा सूचत किरण मनोहर हासा कबहू छंग कबहू बर पलना मातु दुलारई कहीं प्रिय ललना व्यापक ब्रह्म निरंजन निर्गुण विगत विनोद सो अज प्रेम भगति बस कौसल्या के गोद सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। धरे नाम गुर हृदय बिचारी गुर द कुलगुरु Vashishta ji नाम धरे, he gave the names, assigned these names. Hridaya Bichari, how? He just did not take, or no Google and things were found at that time. Out of his tapas shakti, out of a great amount of analysis, Bichari, he gave these names. And he says, Hey Nripa, Tava Sutachari, your 4 sons, Veda Tattva, they depict the 4 Vedas. They are the very essence of the 4 Vedas. Munidhana Jana Sarabasa Siva Prana. They are not only that. From the highest standpoint, they are the essence of the 4 Vedas, which is nothing but Brahman. At the same time, they are the very treasure, great treasure of both sages and all the people, devotees. What is that? Dhana. Dhana means the treasure of Muni, sages, Jana, people, Sarabasa, Siva Prana, Sarvasa, for everybody, and at the same time, he is the very Prana of Shiva. Meaning what? He loves Shiva, and Shiva, Rama is the very Prana of Shiva. Bhagavan Ramchandra ji was so, words seldom explain, they say. Shivji was such a great devotee of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji. And later you will find Bhagavan Ramchandra ji become great devotee of Shivji also. That we will see later. But here Tulsidasi writes, Siva Prana, he is the very prana, life of Bhagavan Shiva. बाल केलि रसते ही सुखमाना. He takes delight. This is a very important factor in all our lives. Isn't it true? Every single common, normal human being, without any exception, every one of us love to play with children. You will find some people, even if the child is not playing, they will do some prank, make the child cry, and then play with the child. That is such a beautiful experience. You know why it is like that? Again and again I will recall that equation. Sometimes please bear with me for my repetitions, because it is very important for us to understand and internalize that bhava. God plus ego is equal to human being. Earlier I would say man. But then every time I have to say women included. Therefore now I say human being. So God plus ego is equal to Manava, human being. Therefore, human being minus ego must be God. This is logic. This is not fanatism. This is not superstition. Isn't it? The one without ego is as good as Bhagavan only. That is why children are called Bhagavan. With your permission, I will take, it is there in all the languages, but I will take my Matrabhasha. Kulandayum Deivamum Gunattal Ondru. Kulandai means child, Deivam Bhagavan. Gunattal Ondru, with reference to their, bhavana, they are one and the same. Why? Both have no ego in them. That is why children, even if they beat on our face, kick on our chest, or maybe highest bana, what is that? Urinate on ourselves, still we won't become angry. Why? There is no ego in that child. The pranks of the child will amuse anybody and everybody. Isn't it? Even while you are traveling in the bus, let us say one lady or gent comes and sits next to you. Having sat there, he has got a small baby, child. Would not say baby, let us say child. Even though the child doesn't want to look, it might stare at you, it doesn't want to speak to you, it doesn't want you to touch. But then you will, at least, if not anything, at least you will give a smile. Try that with elderly people. If you unnecessarily smile at somebody, they will look at you differently. They will think, ye kya ho gaya? Isn't it? What happened? Why is he smiling at me? Anything wrong with me? Think. But when the child smiles, the whole world is forgotten. There is no world after that. Why? That child, that innocence, captivates the mind. And after that, you are so restless. Why? You want to take the child. You want to play with the child. You want to hug the child. You want to kiss the child. And you want to, hold the chin of the child. Hold the cheek, the bubbly cheek of the child. And then, you make such faces. You are completely oblivious of the fact that there is a whole lot of people in the bus. In fact, some of them are no doubt looking at the child. Some of them looking at your terrible faces, what you make in front of the child. But you are completely oblivious. Why? That child, that innocence, that pure mind, captivates our mind. That is the glory of a child. And what to talk of Bhagavan? Bala kela rasa tehi sukhamana. By the way, the pranks, the sport, that play, what that child does. Maybe even in the cradle. Even the cradle, when the child moves its hands and legs, well, what else will it do? It will not go to the kitchen and say, give me some food, or it will not go and play the TV and watch latest whatever they play. All that child is it amuses itself in moving its hands and legs, and that itself becomes a beauty to watch. Isn't it? Balakela rasatehi sukhana mana. Everybody takes delight, and even Shivaji. Shivaji's prana is Rama, and he takes delight in seeing all this. Barehite nijahitapati jani. From the earlier days, Lachimana Ramacharana Ratimani. This is a very beautiful thing. You see, Kausalyaji's son was Ramchandraji. Kaikeyi's son Bharata, and Sumitra we know Lakshmana and Shatrughna. The very interesting combination. The Acharya Kulaguru Vasishtaji himself says there is a great bond, we may say. The two sons of Sumitra, one serves Rama, the other one serves Bharata. Sumitraji is so very delighted. Why? Both of her sons are serving both of the other sons, elder ones. Lakshmana becomes the very, complete. He has dedicated his life to Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji, and Shatrughna, he takes care of Bharata's Agnya. We will see all that later. Lachiman Ramacharana Ratimani, he became a great devotee of his own brother. In today's world, how brothers live. We can't imagine these emotions towards the other brother. Brother, you only fight with, most of the time you fight with the brother. But here, to take the elder brother as an altar and serve him with devotion and love is very, very rare, isn't it? And here we find that Bharehite nija hitapati jani Lachimana Ramacharana Ratimani. Bhagwan Ramchandraji will be served by Lakshmanji. Bharata Satrughna Dunau Bhai. These two brothers, Bharata and Shatrughna, Prabhu Sevaka Jasi Preeti Badai. They come together, how? Like Prabhu and Sevaka. Prabhu, the Lord, and Sevaka, the servant. In the first case, also, Lakshmana serves Ramchandraji as a Prabhu and Sevaka, and here with the other two also, Shatrughna becomes the Sevaka to Bharata and Agnya Paripalanam. It is something which in these days, in today's world, these Agnya Paripalanam, very, very difficult to see. Very difficult. I would even go to the extent of saying impossible, but for whatever benefit of doubt, I say very, very difficult. Extremely difficult to find such kind of surrender. Sharanagati. Here when you say Sharanagati, not out of some power and extra oppression from the other. No. Sharanagati willfully, joyfully, in totality. Anyatha sharanam nasti tvameva sharanam mama. That is the kind. Prabhu Sevaka Jasi Preeti Badai. This is how they all lived. Syamagira Sundara Daujori. Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji, Syamagira Sundara Daujori, the first pair Ramchandra ji, Syama. It is like on the other day also I think I made a mention. Dark and handsome, they say. Hmm? Ramchandra ji was dark, bluish. Hmm? Bluish, please note, represents infinity. Like the sea, like the sky. When you don't see the end, you will see it as blue. Look at the sky. There is no end. It indicates infinity. And infinity is Brahman. Infinity is Bhagavan. Infinity is that supreme. And therefore, Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji looked like dark, Shyama Sarira. One angle of looking at it is as blue color infinity. The other one is water bearing clouds. Water bearing clouds means a little dark clouds. That color, Shyama, one is that. Second one, Gira. Another one is bright and fair. Sundara Daujori. Nirakha Chabi Janani Trinatori. Janani, mother, looked at these two pairs, Rama and Lakshmana, and she was so captivated. See, mothers are like that. However the child is, the love of the mother towards the child is something which is unconditional. The mother says, this fellow is dark, that fellow is bright, therefore I will love him more. What to do? Prarabdha karma. No. Who knows? Maybe she will love the darker person more. Like here you will say. And then Nirakahi Chabi Janani Trinatori. She was so captivated by both the pairs, meaning all the four of them, that she doesn't want the world at all for herself. She was completely engrossed in being with the child. There is another very beautiful way of thinking. Being with the child. Meaning what? When you say being with the child, nothing else matters in the world. Because if you become, that is why I keep saying, being happy is different from becoming happy. When you become happy, you will also become sad. When you are happy, you are only happy. Param Pujya Gurudev used to say, refuse to become unhappy. Naturally, we will be happy. That is called as be attitude. That is the way she was. She was being with the child. Therefore, there was endless joy. It was ecstasy. Chari usila rupa gunadhama. Kulaguru Vasishtha says, Hey Nara, Nripa, king. All the four are nothing but embodiment of what? Sheela, character. Rupa, beauty in terms of looks. Guna, virtues. All of them are Dhama. Dhama meaning what? The very abode of Sheela, Rupa and Guru. Guna, character, form and attributes. In our case, all the three will not be there, but then we have great ego about us. Isn't it? Neither character nor looks. Our looks are not like Bhagavan and all. Our looks are temporary, maybe by mistake. That is why they say, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. The other person unnecessarily might think that I am looking good or something. But then actually, all of them are temporary. But here, Charyu, all the four are Sila, Rupa, Gunadhama, Tadapi. Even then, yet, Adhika Sukha Sagara Rama. See, this is the beauty of bhakti. Everything is good. It's a very interesting part in our Sanatana Dharma. We have so many gods. But then we have one Ishtadevata. And that Ishtadevata becomes so very important, then the other devatas, not that the other devatas we don't like or we don't have trust, we don't have faith. No. We have faith in everybody. But then we always have, one silent corner, soft corner for our Ishtadevata. Tadapi Adhika Sukha Sagarama. Tulsidas ji, he expresses his love towards Bhagavan Sri Rama. The Sukha Sagara, the bliss par excellence. Par excellence. Hridayanugraha Indu Prakasam. Hridaya, that heart, it was shining. The heart was shining, meaning what? The face nothing but expresses what is there inside. That pure heart's expression was like the moon. Therefore, the face was looking like a moon, which was nothing but expression of the heart. Therefore, Hridaya Anugraha Indu Prakasha. It was glowing like the light of the moon. Suchana Kirana Manohara Hasa. And his smile, Bhagavan's smile, Suchana Kirana Manohara Hasa. That smile was so beautiful. It was like the rays of the sun. It was like the bright rays. Captivating, we may say. Kabahu changa kabahu bara palana matu dularai kahi priya lalana. Kabu changa. At one particular period of time, he would be sleeping beautifully on the cradle or maybe playing on the cradle. Sometimes, Matudularai Kahi Priyalalana. Sometimes he would be at the lap of his mother. And though playing some pranks and slowly sleeping, the child sleeping in the mother's lap. Are, what else is there to watch? However they may look, it is such a beauty, It is so beautiful. It has no aspirations, no expectations, no demands, nothing. It just sleeps. Baby. Vyapaka Brahma Niranjana. Vyapaka, the all-pervading Parabrahma Swarupa Paramatma, Brahma Niranjana, untainted by Maya. Niranjana means Niranjana. Anjana is dark. Dark is nothing but Maya. Bright is Brahman. Therefore, here in this particular context, Anjana. See, Anjana is also Hanumanji's mother. But here the word Niranjana represents Anjana here means darken, which is that which is dark. Anjana Kajal, the women folk, I went for children. You put Kajal, that dark. Beautiful eyes, and then they put that dark. Even though it is black and dark, it adds beauty to that eyes. Isn't it? That is why that black thing is put. Otherwise, why put one Anjana, black paste there? It adds beauty. And here, Niranjana, this Anjana means ego. Ego is darkness only. And Niranjana, the one who has no effect of Maya. It is his own Maya after all. So, Niranjana, who is untainted by Maya. Nirguna, attributeless. Because any attribute you give, you have an opposite to it. So, Nirguna, attributeless. Vigata Vinoda means Maya's play does not affect Bhagavan. Therefore, Vinoda of Maya, the play of Maya, Vigata. Vigata meaning it is not there. With Nirguna, Vigata, Vinoda Bhagavan. So, Aja Prema Bhagati Basa. This Aja means unborn. Prema Bhagati Basa, the one who can only be conquered, the one who can be attracted, one who can be held, one who can be achieved, gained only through Prema Bhagati, only through love and devotion. Kausalya ke Goda, he has taken shelter in the lap of Mata Kausalya. What a beautiful drishya. What a beautiful bhavana, isn't it? You know, you don't feel like continuing, you just feel like seeing Ramchandra ji in Mata Kaushalya ji's lap and just go on, in our mind, in our heart, see Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji and forget the world. But then what to do? You can't keep quiet. Therefore, I have to continue. काम कोटि छवि श्याम शरीरा नीलकंज बारिद गंभीरा अरुण चरण पंकज नख ज्योति कमल दलनि बैठे जनुमोति रेख कुलिस ध्वज अंकुश सोहे नूपुर धुनि सुनि मुनि मन मोहे कटि किंकिनी उदर त्रय रेखा नाभि गभीर जान जेहि देखा भुज विशाल भूषण जुत भूरी हिय हरि नखति शोभारूरी उरमनिहार पदिक की शोभा विप्रचरण देखत मन लोभा कंबुकंठ अति चिबुक सुहाई आनन अमित मदन छवि छाई दुई दुई दसन अदर अरुणारे नासा तिलक को बरनई पारे सुंदर श्रवण सुचारु कपोला अति प्रिय मधुर तोतरे बोला कनकच कुंचित गभुआरे बहु प्रकार रचि मातु संवारे पीत जगुलिया तनु पहिराई जानु पानी बिचरति मोहि भाई रूप सकहि नहीं कहि श्रुति शेषा सो जानई सपने हूँ जेहि देखा सुख संदोह मोह पर ज्ञान गिरा गोतीत दंपति परम प्रेम बस करसी सुचरित पुनीत सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। तुलसीदास जी ब्यूटिफुली राइट्स काम कोटि छवि श्याम शरीरा भगवान शरीरा which was dark, श्याम शरीरा was as good as crores of Cupid. Kamadeva. Kamadeva is supposed to be the most beautiful, but Ramchandraji was equivalent to crores of such Kamadeva. With Shyama Sharira. Neela Kanja Barida Gambhira. It resembles, Bhagavan's Sharira resembles that in a beautiful lotus. What? Blue lotus. Neela Kanja lotus. Barida Gambhira. That, water bearing clouds color. Like that was that lotus, and Bhagavan is lying on that. We must have seen it in a lot of the, Kalakars, Srishti, we may say. Some very beautiful painter's imaginative presentation. Aruna Charana Pankaja Nakhajoti. The nails of Bhagavan was shining. Jyoti, it was shining. Kamaladalai Baithe Janumoti. And Bhagavan's feet was on that particular soft, beautiful lotus. But Janumoti, Kamaladalai. In that, he was so soft, like the petals of lotus. He was like that, he was so soft. Rekha kula sadhvaja ankusa soye. There were certain marks. What is that? There is a mark of a thunderbolt. And a flag, dhvaja. And then, and when the hand, there are astrologers who read palmistry, called palmistry. Then looking at the rekha, so many things are told. Bhagavan had, that thunderbolt and flag, etc. in his rekha. And then, Nupura dhuni suni munimana mohe, the anklets, they were all the tinkling anklets, they say generally in this one. They were all, it enraptured, it captured, it captivated, it beheld the hearts of even the sages. Suni muni manamohi, even the munis were captivated. Kati kinkini udara traya rekhe, in his udara, what do they say? They tie one rope, black rope, or sometimes, some grass also is tied. So similarly, in Bhagavan Ramchandraji's udara, that beautiful rope was tied, and little those bells, that makes little good noise. Very attractive, very beautiful, It is very nice when the child keeps moving, that that sound is very, I can't tell in words what to do. Katikinkini udara traya rekha, and there were 3 rekhas in his belly. Nabhigabhira jana jehi dekha. His navel was so beautiful. The one who has actually seen it alone can understand the beauty. That is why Bhushan, Tulsidas, right? Jana jehi dekha. That beauty, only the one who has seen will understand. Otherwise, no amount of expression in any language can identify or make you understand that beauty. Bhuja Bishala Bhushana Juta Bhauri. Bhuja Vishal, very, very broad shoulders. Bhushana Juta Bhauri, lot of ornaments were put. And then, the arms were touching the knee. They call it Ajanubahu. The one who has got long arms touching the knee. Bhagavan was Ajanubahu. Hiya hari nakha ati sobharuri. And in his chest a very beautiful chain was put, and then the pendant. Hiya hari nakha. It was like, what is it called? In that claws, the tiger's claws, they say. Hiya hari nakha ati sobha. Ati sobha. It was so beautiful. Uramanihara padika ki sobha. And all the necklaces, the gems, pearls. Naturally, the king, Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji is the son of the greatest kings of the times. Ayodhya, Nara. With all the gems and diamonds and gold and etc. All those things. Vipracharana dekhatamana lobha. There is a story about it. That story will take some time, that I will discuss tomorrow. We will complete this. Tomorrow I will start with that story. Very beautiful story which indicates why in Bhagavan's chest there was a print of a feet. It's a story that we will discuss tomorrow. We will start with that story. So be present right at the beginning itself. Kambu kantha ati chibuka suhayi. In the neck, the neck of Bhagavan resembled like the conch shell. So beautiful. Chibuka suhayi. Anana amita madana chabichai. The chin also was so beautiful. All children are like that. The chin of the child, baby is so beautiful. Anybody who goes and takes a child, without an exception, invariably they will touch the chin. Why? Child's chin is so beautiful, and Bhagavan's chin, what to talk of? Dui dasana adhara arunare. Not very well combed or something, little hairs, combed hairs everywhere all around the head. Very beautiful. Adhara arunare, his lips were so cute. And 2 teeth above, 2 teeth below. Have you seen such a child? Oh, Rama. So beautiful. I don't feel like speaking about it. Why? Because, description, expression of such beauty actually defies the beauty itself. But what to do? Even I am very sure Tulsidas, while he was writing, he must have stopped, enjoyed a little, and then came back helplessly, and again he must have continued. I am very sure. Nasa tilaka kobarane pare. And Nasa, his nose were also very beautiful, and the wonderful tilaka that has been put on him, they also were excellent. Sundara savana sucharu kapola. Sundara savana, beautiful ears, and very, very chubby cheeks, we say, no? Kapola. Ati priya madhurato tarabola. And the child, all that, something it wants to tell, it wants to amuse itself. But then it is so captivating, looking at the child, murmuring something. It cannot speak, but then it wants to say, all that we see. These days you see in all the YouTubes and Facebook, you get all those videos. I'll get carried away by that. Ati priya madhurato tarabola. Chikkanaka chakunchita gabuare. Curly hair. Little curly hair. Not well, combed or trimmed or anything. It is there, but then it is a beauty by itself. Bahuprakara ruchi matu sabare. Matu, the mothers have got this very beautiful bhavana. They will want to dress the child in very, very, very many ways. Like that, Mata Kaushalya ji also, she also had put lot of ornaments. Pita Jaguliya Tanu Pahirai. Yellow dress was put. These mothers have very interesting bhavana. All the boy child, remember, will always get girl's dress. Somehow it is there in the psyche of the women. Even if it is a boy, they will put a frock. Now here see, Pita Jaguliya. Jaguliya means a frock. Pita Jaguliya, an yellow frock. Tanu Pahirai. It has covered that cute little body of that child, Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji. And he is also, crawling and all that. Such a beautiful Janupani Bicharati Mohi Bhai. The hands, little tiny hands. Very, very pleasing to me. Mohibai. Here, please note, one is Guru Vasishtaji is speaking. Another one is Shiva is speaking to Parvati. Oh, it is so captivating, beautiful, little, tiny palms, kuti fingers. Oh, it is beautiful. Rupa sa kahi nahi kahi Shruti Sesha. Even Shruti, Veda, Sesha, the 1,000-headed Nagashesha, none of them nahi sakai Rupa. They cannot describe that Rupa. So janai sapanehu jahi dekha. Nobody could have even dreamt such a beauty. Let alone see. They could not even behold in their mind. That is why Shruti says, Yato vacho nivartante aprapya manasa saha vachaha nivartante. Words cannot explain. My mind cannot conceive that beauty of Bhagavan. Anandam Brahmano Vidwan. Sukha sandoha moha param. Sukha sandoha, the all blissful Lord. Moha para, the one who is beyond moha, beyond delusion, beyond maya. Para means above all delusion, maya. Jnana gira gotita, the one who even transcends knowledge. Meaning what? The very source of all knowledge. Jnanagiratita. Dampati Parama Prema Basa. Dampati, Dasharatha and Kaushalyaji, their supreme love, kept them, looking at the child. I would say not 24/7, 24 and a half bar 7 and a half we may say. Meaning what? All the time. Dampati Parama Prema Basa. They were completely given to that supreme love for Bhagavan. Karasi Sucharita Punita, with all the pranks, all the child sport, the leelas of Bhagavan Ramchandra ji, they were completely immersed. We will leave them with him for some more time, and we will see tomorrow about that particular story. Remember, we will start with that tomorrow. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।